Frenchie can best be described as a warm beige pink cream. So I do want to point out the fact that all these polishes had the Z-wide brushes already included. So maybe Zoya has stopped selling the brushes separately and will include the wider brushes in all of their nail polishes. So let's hope. This is a very good cream polish. I got it opaque in 2 coats. I can see where this can be a 3-coater if you do thinner coats than I did. But Zoya has a great cream nail polish formula, so there's no running or pooling, no streaks, just a really nice polish to apply. Precious can best be described as an orchard mauve purple infused with a hint of micro rose gold flakes. So again, this has a really great formula. This one's definitely a 2-coater. I got it completely opaque in 2 coats. There was no running or pooling. This one will be easy to remove because it just has like a little micro shimmer in it. So easy removal, great formula, 2-coat polish. Next is Eleanor. This is described as a dark cinnamon mahogany and a crushed velvet finish. This one's very beautiful. Probably one of my favorite in the collection. As you can see, it's completely opaque and only 1 coat. But I don't just apply 1 coat of nail polish, so I'm going to show you what it looks like in 2 coats, which is how I would personally wear it. But very unique polish. I really like this one. It's a dark, deep brown, but it just has that really cool finish that kind of elevates this polish. Great formula, 1 coat, you can't ask for more. So next is Venus. This can be described as a vibrant and sparkling rose red with a shimmering holographic finish. This polish is so pretty. It kind of looks like a magenta pink to me, or a very dark pink with holographic flakes in it. I'm not really seeing red. It's a very bright color for fall, so it's great for that transition between summer and fall, especially if you live in a hot state like me. This does have that holographic glitter in it, so it will make it more challenging to remove, but it was completely opaque in 2 coat and has a really nice formula. Next is Pamela. This is described as a darkened imperial purple. I love this purple cream. I feel like every time I try to get a purple cream this color, like it's always like a jelly finish, but I really like that this one is actually a cream finish. Very beautiful, vibrant, dark purple, but not super dark. You can definitely tell it's purple. Great cream formula, no running or pooling, and completely opaque in 2 coats. Next is Brinley. Brinley is described as an intense mulberry cream with a hint of magenta undertones. This cream has a really nice formula. I wouldn't quite say it's opaque in 1 coat. There are a little bit of streaks, so I definitely say this one's a 2-coater. But the formula is really great. Again, Zoya does cream nail polishes very well. Not my favorite color. I don't typically go for these shades, but if you like this color, this is a really nice polish to have. It has a really great formula. Next is Murphy. Murphy is described as an ultra dark army green in a crushed velvet finish. So this one has the same finish as Eleanor, which was that deep dark brown color. I like this polish a lot as well. I love olive greens for the fall, and the velvet finish is really cool to add something different to just the average olive nail polish color. This one has a really nice formula as well. It is opaque in 2 coats. There's no running or pooling. There's no brush strokes in the finish at all. It is easy to remove. So overall, a very nice polish. Next is Linen. Linen is described as a deep Pacific teal with a shimmering holographic finish. This has a jelly base, which really makes the holographic glitter stand out. The formula is really nice on this one. Again, no running or pooling. It is rather thick. but not too thick to where it's gloopy or anything like that. Even though it's a jelly polish, I would say you can get away with 2 coats on this one just because it has all that holographic glitter in it. There's just so much going on. You can't really see your nail line, but honestly, it's not 100% completely opaque in just 2 coats. So if that bothers you, you can apply the 3rd coat. Next is Jean. Jean is described as a rich indigo periwinkle with a shimmering holographic finish. So this is the same finish as the last polish, Linen, except just a different base color. So the jelly blue they used in this polish is definitely more sheer than that last nail polish. So you can see on the first coat it's pretty sheer. But it does have a lot of glitter that spreads out pretty nicely along the nail. The formula on this one is really good. However, this one will be difficult to remove because it does have a lot of glitter in it. This one's also a 2 to 3 coater. There's a lot of glitter in it, so again, your nail line isn't as noticeable, but it's not completely opaque in only 2 coats. But it does have decent coverage on 2 coats. But if you want it to be completely opaque, you might want to go ahead and apply that 3rd coat. Vera is described as an enticing bright mulberry cream. This polish is pretty similar to Brinley, which I showed y'all earlier in the video. They're not exactly alike, but I think they're so close to each other, I don't think they both need to be in this collection. Again, it's a really great cream formula. If you like this color, this is a good option for you. There's no running or pulling. It's easy to remove, opaque in only 2 coats. But again, I just think it's so similar to Brinley, which is also in the same collection. Brianna is described as a sophisticated toasted pink cream. Yeah, this is a more like neutral pink color. I think it's nice. Nothing special about it. I think it'd make a good base color for like some nail art or something. It's completely opaque in only 2 coats. There's no streaks or anything like that. Formula is really nice, no running or pulling. And yeah, it's just a basic neutral pink. And last is Twinkle It. This can be described as a glamorous rose gold holographic infused with micro pink shimmer. This nail polish is mostly glitter and like a clearish base, so it's not going to be completely opaque. I only applied 2 coats in this video. You could apply a 3rd coat, but I still don't think it's going to be completely opaque. You can still like very obviously see my visible nail line in the video. The glitter spread out very evenly, but since this is very glitter dense, it is going to be very challenging to remove this nail polish, but it is very pretty and very sparkly. And that is Zoya's Enamored Fall 2023 nail polish collection. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.